Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Remain Harry Tigansa Jingina and my channel is Experienced Africans. Guys, today I'm about to live my dream. I always believe that there will be a time that I'll be able to afford this dream, and I worked hard towards it, and today I can afford it. Actually, something happened mysteriously, but I'll tell you that later in the video. But as a matter of fact, this is my friend Kamran, and
hi guys, how are
the
you?
guy at the camera shop. I came here to buy a camera, and this is my dream camera. I have always hoped to buy this dream camera, and today Kamran will be unveiling my own dream camera. So we're going to unbox it together with Kamran. So
And
Kamran,
we have this
introduce
to unbox
yourself.
Hi, how are you guys? First of all, I basically from India, and I'm gonna help my friend from Africa.
Yeah.
So now Indians and Africans are already friends beforehand.
Yeah,
Now we
not
make
before.
more.
Indians were actually black people before.
Exactly. So now we're gonna make our friendship more stronger
Yes.
by unboxing the Sony camera.
Okay.
Let's go.
So let's go. So this is it. This is a package I got.
Yeah.
You can show them. This is it.
This is the
So
ZV-E10.
ZV-E10. So I got this bundle together for a very affordable price.
And
Yeah.
that's the grip you're getting
So
it
I
right
got
now.
the grip for free. It
Yeah.
comes as part of the package.
Exactly.
So if you need yours, you can contact me and I'll also bring you to the store, or you can check out their store here in Deira City Centre, right?
Deira City Centre.
What floor?
It's on the ground floor.
On the ground floor.
Yeah.
You can tell them the name of the shop.
The name of the shop is Grand Stores.
Grand Stores.
The Grand Stores.
Yeah, so you can come here and get yours. But
Perfect.
now this is my own toy. It's not really a toy. This is actually more than a toy. This is my machine.
Yes. Machine gun.
Yeah, machine gun. So unbox it. So straight out of the box, this is what we will be seeing. So I got the grip here, which I'm going to be using to vlog. Yes, we'll unbox even the grip. And also,
That's the camera.
and here's the camera. So don't go for the ZV-10. Go for the ZV-E10. ZV-E10. Yes, that's it. Thank you. So we go to it. Wow. I didn't know this day will come. Actually, I didn't know this day will come. I didn't expect this day will come this soon. Yeah, this is my dream, man. So here I bought it from an original store. So you can see I have a warranty inside. It's how many years warranty?
It's 1 year warranty.
1 year warranty. I have 1 year warranty on this particular product here.
That
So you
comes
can
up
see
with the manuals in
the
different
manuals
languages.
in different languages.
Yeah, so if you know how to speak Chinese, you can
Get yours. It's-
Chinese language as well.
Yeah, thank you. So that's it.
Yes.
So here is my baby. You know, this is a car in my country. Wow. So this is my baby, straight out of the box. You can see it.
Have a
Yes.
closer look.
This is it. This is my baby, fresh from the yard. Yeah, so clean. So that is it. That's the box, straight out of the box. That's what you
Straight
get.
out
The
the
camera
box.
itself.
You get the wind noise reductor.
Yes.
So you
That
can
is
put
it.
this on top of the
They
camera.
call it the dead cat, but mine is living cat.
Yes.
Mine is living cat.
Yeah.
It's not a dead
Do you
cat.
like cats?
Yeah, mine is alive. So
Okay.
this is my
So
life
this is
cat.
how you put it on top.
So that's how you put it on top.
This basically reduces the wind noise when you're recording videos outdoor.
Yeah.
Alright? Because this comes up with a 3 capsule microphone here.
Okay.
So if you record outdoor without this, then you might experience some,
Noise.
let's say, wind noises.
Background noises.
Yeah.
Okay.
But once you put it on top of it,
Okay.
you're gonna use it very freely.
Okay.
Like it will actually reduce your wind noises and all.
Okay. Like for me, I have a wireless go-to. How do I fix my wireless go-to?
If you have wireless go-to, just you remove this from here, put
Okay.
the wireless go-to here,
Okay.
connect it with the mic option from
Okay.
here,
There's the mic jack here.
mic jack here.
TRS.
Yes,
cable.
yes.
Okay.
So you
okay.
connect this, and the other one, you have to put it over here on the collar.
Okay.
And you connect them, and then you start recording.
Even lavalier mic. I put it.
Exactly. You can actually use the lavalier mics from here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for
No
that.
worries.
Yeah.
Now, coming up to different cables inside.
Yeah. We have the Type
This
C.
is you have Type C, and this is the HDMI series.
Okay,
So
that's
you
good.
can actually
Do I
view
get
your
the cables here, the Type C and the HDMI?
yeah, HDMI it doesn't comes with, because HDMI you have to buy them separately.
Okay.
It doesn't come, but it do comes in with different country cables.
Oh, I have 3 country cables.
Yes, so if you're traveling to Europe,
Yeah.
US, and Middle East Africa,
Okay.
yeah, so different countries.
Wow, that's nice.
You get a very nice strap out of it.
Sony strap, yeah.
Okay, next strap. That's the
Battery?
charger.
Charger, not battery?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a charger, yeah.
The battery comes up here.
So do I get an extra battery with this?
I know you have to buy this separately.
Extra
Only
battery.
one battery, and comes up with the USB-C type cable.
Type cable, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not Type C to Type C?
No,
cable.
no, it USB to Type C.
Okay, USB to
So
Type
you
C
can
cable.
use them anywhere actually in the world.
Okay.
Sometimes you don't have the USB to USB-C type,
Okay,
but USB to USB-C type you can find
okay.
anywhere.
So,
Now I'm going to put the battery in.
okay.
So we put the battery in, and
Yep, so now we're going to
the grip part,
the grip part.
where
I
we
don't know,
open the grip from
I used to
here.
think it's just like a normal grip, a tripod. It seems like this is more of a machine than just a grip. It doesn't come cheap actually. Yes, I think it costs about $150 or $180, yeah?
Almost
Equivalent.
like
Yeah,
it's almost like that.
yeah, almost
It's
like that.
549.
Yeah, 549,
dirhams.
so that's about $150.
Almost 150, 149
Yeah,
dollars.
yeah. So that's how much it costs. So let's see what that can do.
So this can become a normal tripod.
Yeah.
You can also use this for your zooming and zoom out purposes. Take
Okay.
pictures and video
Yeah.
options from here.
Okay.
And it is operated with the battery, a coin battery,
Okay.
which
So
is.
does it come with the battery?
Yeah, it do come with the battery.
And how often do I need to change the battery?
These are coin batteries.
Yeah.
They can actually last like almost a year.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I don't need to buy an extra now.
No. It comes with that inside.
So inside the pack we still have like a pouch.
Yeah, and it comes with a battery.
Okay, it comes
It's a
with a
Sony
pouch.
pouch.
Sony pouch.
So that's the battery.
Yeah. And here's the battery.
That's the coin battery.
Okay, this is the
The
battery.
model number is CR2032.
Okay.
The model numbers you'll always find it over here.
Alright.
Okay. Now you can put it here. So we match the signs. Plus to plus.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna close it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
You power it on. Yes. 2 buttons to power on. So it's gonna power that. That is another machine on its own. Yeah.
it's on now.
Okay.
So now once you how to connect this to the camera.
Yes.
So you can actually mount the camera on top of it.
Okay.
Okay. Which we'll show you here. Something like that.
Okay.
Okay. So you can mount it here.
Yeah. So,
So you can use it like that.
so now it's mounted.
It's mounted now.
Okay.
Now remove the cap. That's the cap.
And you
And
flip the camera, the lens. Sorry. Yeah. So. Yeah. So
you can
English,
select languages. You can
English.
select English.
Yeah.
Date. We're
Yeah.
gonna select it.
Time
Abu
zone.
Dhabi time zone. Tehran, Abu Dhabi time zone.
Okay.
And what's the date today? It's first. And
August.
today is
August
8,
2022.
2020.
Okay.
Time is 8:36.
36. 2036. Okay. Set your date, yeah? So welcome to Sony. That's it said.
Yes.
So now this is my new toy. It's active.
So now you can change mode from here.
Okay.
This
camera.
is camera, video, and slow and quick motions.
Okay.
There are 3 modes with 1 button only.
Okay.
We change this. It shows you SNQ, which is slow and quick motion.
Okay.
You press that again, it will show you picture mode.
Okay.
And if you press that again, it's going to show you video mode.
Okay.
So we're going to take it to video mode or picture mode?
Picture mode, yeah.
Picture mode. So
I do more of videography.
So we'll go for videos then.
Okay.
Now it is on video mode. It will show you here
Yeah.
automatically.
Okay.
And this is the place where it will show you the frames per second of the video and all the information.
Normally I record
Yeah.
30 frames, 60 frames heights.
Yeah. So what we will do, we will go and connect this thing, this thing into this.
Okay.
So we're gonna look for this in, the connection
website.
area.
Okay.
This one.
Network, yeah.
So look
Smart
for
connect.
Bluetooth settings.
Okay.
We go for Bluetooth settings down there,
Yeah.
and we're on the Bluetooth option.
Okay.
We'll make it on. Start pairing it.
Okay.
Okay. Now you need to actually press this and the T button
Okay.
together for almost 10 seconds.
Okay.
Let's go.
1,
2, 3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8,
9,
10.
10.
See.
It's blended.
Yes. So now you will see it
Yes.
shows an address. So you press OK.
Okay. Connected.
Device
to
connected.
So now they pair.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you go back
Okay.
and look for remote control.
Okay.
So we go on the next page
What
of
about
this.
this Wi-Fi setting? What is it?
Wi-Fi settings is to transfer the images from your mobile phone, from the
From
camera
camera
to the mobile phone.
Okay. Okay.
So now you go for send to smartphones, connect,
Yeah.
PC remote, and then you look for Bluetooth remote control option.
Yes.
It's off right now.
So make it on.
Make it on here.
Yeah.
Once it is on, now you can actually. Let me show you something.
Yeah. I'm still waiting. We are all waiting. Even my subscribers are waiting.
So
Because we're still charging.
yeah, so we have very less space
We
here.
have very little space.
Okay.
It's a new battery, so you can
So
see it.
now you can zoom in
Zoom out.
and zoom out.
Okay.
No need to touch the camera.
Yeah.
You can slowly do the zoom in
Yeah.
and you can do the zoom out fast.
Okay. So how do I do it slowly?
Just press it half.
Okay.
You see the autofocus condition?
Yeah.
How detailed is the image, the
Yeah.
video quality.
Yeah.
You want fast, you can press fast.
Okay.
You can also lock the grip. Suppose
I'm
you lock
set.
the grip
I'm
and
set.
now you
I
can
don't want to zoom in or zoom out.
exactly. Now you just can't use it.
Yeah. So
Once you open, unlock it, then you can zoom in and zoom out.
Okay. So this C1 is for what?
We will press C1.
Yeah.
It will show you something. Background defocus.
Yes.
What does this mean actually?
It was on autofocus before. Now it's on.
Exactly, it's something like I'll show you.
Yeah.
In this camera,
Yeah.
it has called like suppose you standing just in front of a building. Normally,
Yeah.
what happens
Yeah.
when you take videos,
Yeah.
it will be focused on you and the background turns blurred.
Yeah.
So if you want the background to be with you, also you
Yeah.
press that button
to
and it becomes clear.
Yeah.
Now the background is with you.
Yeah.
The same thing, the background is clear and your face is clear.
Yeah.
But sometimes you want the background to be more
Blur.
blurred.
Yeah. So that's
It enhances also the defocus.
okay.
It will do that.
So if I go defocus and I want to put it back, I just press the
Exactly,
C1.
exactly. So you can also customize this button from the camera.
Okay.
You can also customize it.
Yeah.
Like suppose you want to make it for product showcasing.
Yeah.
Suppose right now you have this. Let's say it's your power bank.
Yeah.
I want to tell people that
About
yes,
the part. Yeah.
yes. So you can bring this here.
Yeah. It's on
Right?
defocus now,
Yes, see?
so it's not fast.
Check the background.
Yeah. I'm blocked.
Yes.
This is better.
And now if I zoom it, you are there.
Focus. Yeah.
I put it back.
But it
there.
takes time. Why is it taking too much?
Yeah, because I have to increase it.
Okay.
Yes, let's say my focusing speed,
Focus
I
speed.
have set it to standard.
Okay. So
I can make it more slower,
you can make it
cinematic
faster.
I would say, and
Yeah.
I would make it more faster.
Okay.
Like I bring everything, it comes.
Yes.
And I remove, suppose I need something which is, let's say, standard. This
Yeah.
is the standard one. If you
Yeah.
want more faster, you can increase it in
That
the
is
camera.
where you increase it from 125
Yes,
to 160.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So please do increase that for me.
Sorry?
So you can increase that for me, so that I'll get
Leave
to
it.
it.
Let the camera a little bit charge because
Yeah.
I am having some difficulties
Okay.
with the camera because it's 0 batt right now.
Okay.
See, charging. You still use it. It says battery is almost 0, but still also showing you the charging
it's
point.
charging
is there.
point there.
It's
As
already
long
charged.
as you have direct power supply,
Yes.
it will still work.
You can still use, like suppose you want to use it for a longer time
Yeah.
and you wanted to use it indoor, you
Yeah.
can also buy a direct cable adapter which
Yeah.
is called direct power cables.
Yeah.
Which is instead of the battery you can actually
You can just charge your batteries and then keep them, and then anytime you're using indoors, use indoors. When you're going out, you can just take your battery and go out, so you don't run out of battery.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
So now we will change the
Function mode.
and we'll make it active. Standard.
What of stabilization?
Right.
What is the stabilization for this one? Radial focus. Yeah.
Yes. So this actually comes up with 3 modes of stabilization.
Okay.
One is off,
Yeah.
one is standard,
Yeah.
which is here, if you see here.
Yeah.
One is off.
Yeah.
Now if you put it on standard,
Yeah.
standard,
Yeah.
see stabilization starts working automatically.
Yeah.
And then this is active.
Okay.
So this active will be like more when you are walking faster or even slightly jogging and you're recording a video.
Yeah.
Yes. Standard is like when you're walking around and you're doing the videos,
Yes.
then this will work around,
Okay.
which is normal standard one.
Yeah.
But then you also have this grip, which actually, let's say, which actually also helps you out to stabilize the video because you're holding it through that.
Yeah.
And all the stress and all the camera,
Yeah.
it's directly does not go on the camera and the lenses.
Okay.
So you have to use the active.
Okay.
If you're even running and slightly jogging and
Yeah.
walking faster, I would
Yeah.
say. Right. So I put it back on standard. If you still want to change it, you can go on the FN button.
Yeah.
Press that FN button and you can change most of the options here.
Okay.
If you want details
Yeah.
in the picture or the video,
Yeah.
you can off this.
Okay.
If you want a soft skin,
Yeah.
then you can on this.
Okay.
Like it will give you a soft skin and good texture. If you want textured and stress on the skin and the reality,
Yeah.
then you can off this. So you get
Okay.
details around it. You
Yeah.
can actually extract a lot of details from the video and the pictures.
Okay.
So if we put it back, this is the best autofocus. Autofocus continuous.
Yes.
You can use this for your continuous
Autofocus.
Yes, see, now it's working fine.
Yes. So even if I put this in front,
Yeah,
I will get better.
exactly.
You see?
Yeah.
We're taking time.
Yeah.
The normal one?
Let me change it. I did not actually change it.
Like this.
So guys, thank you so much
This thing actually looks like this.
for watching. Kamran has done justice to this video. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you so much, Kamran.
No worries, anytime.
I appreciate it. You're gonna be my teacher, so I'll be coming
No
here
worries, you can hop
to
on
learn
anytime.
how to use this, because I need to learn how to use it so I can give you guys the best videos
Yes.
of all time.
You
Thank
can
you so
also
much.
hop in anytime you feel like.
Have a great day. Cheers.
Cheers.